Hello, I am Loadmaster and this is my Squishy Circuits project. Today we're going to be doing some conductive dough for the Squishy Circuits, and I will just list out the types of ingredients while I use them. First, I'm going to be pouring some one cup of all-purpose flour. Next, I will be dumping a quarter cup of salt. Next, I'll be pouring some 1 cup of water. And I'll be pouring some lemon juice and some olive oil. Now I'm going to start stirring the ingredients until I get a solid-like shape. We have to stir and cook the dough until it forms a ball. We just took this out of the pot and now it has a more dense shape, and we will be trying to mix it around with this flour to make a more solid shape. I made some insulating dough as well, and I will be wrapping it around my motor of my helicopter I'm going to make. Here I have my helicopter, and I have a power source, which is a 9-volt battery, and I have a switch, and I also have 6 LED lights, a motor, and a buzzer. The motor is in a series circuit, but the lights are in a parallel circuit, because if I turn it on, if I take away one light, the other lights and the motor still work. If I wanted to add another parallel circuit, I could add the buzzer. And it will create a parallel circuit. The buzzer is a bit quiet. I also use some insulating dough, and insulating dough is very important because if you have the reds touching, then the electrons will choose the easiest way and will not travel through the LEDs and turn them on. So it's very important you don't have them touching. And I also have it inside the helicopter to prevent any issues with the motor. And that is my Squishy Circuit.